Think you need $1,000 to get a drone with killer features? Think again. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best drones under $200 that deliver insane performance without burning your wallet. Whether you're a beginner, a weekend hobbyist, or just looking for an affordable upgrade, these drones pack premium features like 4K cameras, GPS tracking, brushless motors, and even obstacle avoidance, all for under $200. Let's dive in. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. K600 GPS Drone. The K600 GPS Drone comes with a built-in 4.5-inch LCD controller, so you don't even need your phone for live viewing. It includes a 32GB SD card right in the box, has GPS auto-return, gesture flight controls, brushless motors for stability, and 3 speed settings, all while weighing under 249 grams. Reviews insight. Customers love how easy it is to set up and fly, even for first-timers. The LCD screen is a big plus for those who don't want to drain their phone battery. Pros: built-in LCD controller, no phone needed. GPS return-to-home feature for safety. Brushless motors for smooth flight. Includes 32GB SD card out of the box. Number 2. Brushless Motor 4K Drone. This 4K UHD drone delivers long-range FPV video with 5G transmission for crystal-clear footage. It has a 120 degrees FOV and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, plus 2 batteries for extended flight time, a carrying case, and optical positioning for better stability. Reviews insight. Users highlight its solid camera quality and smooth flight, even in light wind. Beginners appreciate the stable hover and easy controls. Pros: true 4K UHD camera with wide-angle lens. 2 batteries for longer sessions. Portable carrying case included. Optical positioning for stable indoor and outdoor flight. Number 3. GPS Drone with 4K camera. Weighing under 249 g, this GPS-enabled drone offers 45 minutes of flight time thanks to efficient power management and brushless motors. It includes autofollow, tap fly, and circle fly features, making it perfect for cinematic shots. Reviews insight. Owners love the long battery life and say it's great for travel due to its foldable design. The GPS functions make it nearly impossible to lose. Pros: extended 45-minute flight time, multiple smart flight modes, lightweight and travel-friendly. Brushless motors for durability. Number 4. 4K UHD Drone. This drone levels up with Gimbal electronic image stabilization for smooth, shake-free footage. It has a GPS system, upgraded tablet display compatibility, auto-return, follow-me mode, waypoints, and even obstacle avoidance. Reviews insight. Buyers praise the gimbal stability and the crispness of video, saying it rivals more expensive drones in smoothness. Obstacle avoidance is a lifesaver for beginners. Pros: gimbal with EIS for buttery smooth shots. Obstacle avoidance for safer flights. Follow me and waypoint features for creative filming. 60 minutes total flight time with extra battery. Number 5. Golarcs S9S GPS Drone. The Golarcs S9S offers 4K UHD with EIS anti-shake, a 2-axis gimbal, brushless motors, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, and obstacle avoidance. It comes with 2 batteries and smart return home functionality. Reviews insight. Reviewers say this drone feels premium at a budget price. The gimbal and EIS combo make it great for smooth, professional-looking shots. Pros: 2-axis gimbal plus EIS for maximum stability. Obstacle avoidance tech included. 2 batteries for extended flight. Strong build quality and wind resistance. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So there you have it. 5 drones under $200 that prove you don't have to break the bank for amazing aerial shots. Which one would you take on your next adventure? Drop your pick in the comments, and I'll link all the drones in the description so you can check today's prices. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more budget tech finds, and I'll see you in the next video.